round athletes. The USA is going to have a team that is going to qualify into the team finals. Once they get past that, on all the 4 different events, they'll be able to put up their top 3 athletes only. 3 scores count, no dropping of the scores. So that means that if you factor in well, certainly on 2 events in the top 3, then you're going to earn that place.
And that's big-time gymnastics that they're looking from an athlete like Hollie. Huge skill. Hollie, of course, has had to alter this routine because of the back injury. She's known for her extreme flexibility and says that that has been a little bit difficult for her. She's backed off. Just setting up for her dismount. It's a tough one.
She actually struggled a little bit on this in day 1, landed very, very low.
Didn't get quite enough height on the double back right here.
Well, maybe a little bit.